Good day everyone, we are the Group 3 and today we are going to tackle Science and Technology Studies, Future Trends in Science and Technology, Predicting Technological Advancements, Potential Societal Impacts and Ethical Considerations. And next is our objectives. First, understand predictive methodologies. Familiarize participants with various methods used to predict technological advancements. Second, analyze the positive and negative impacts. Analyze and articulate both the potential positive societal impacts of emerging technologies. Third, explore ethical frameworks. Understand various ethical frameworks such as utilitarianism and deontology, and how they apply to real-world technology issues, fostering critical thinking about moral implications. Fourth, analyze anticipation strategies. Analyze how foresight enhances the ability of organizations to anticipate and adapt to technological trends. Fifth, identify and analyze impacts. Identify and articulate the potential benefits of emerging technologies, such as improved efficiency and enhanced quality of life. Sixth, propose preparation strategies for society. Develop strategies to equip individuals and communities for future technological changes, emphasizing digital literacy and continuous learning and inclusivity. And lastly, discuss the role of innovation ecosystems. Explore how collaboration among industry, academia, and government enhances technological transformation strategies and promotes the adoption of innovative solutions. Methods of future technological advancements. Predicting future technological advancements is important because it helps us prepare for new innovations and understand how they will affect society. There are different ways to do this, like looking at trends and doing market research. These methods help people predict what new technologies might come out and make smart choices based on that information. For example, if market research shows that people are really interested in virtual reality, companies might invest more in developing virtual reality technology. This way, they can stay ahead of the game and meet the needs of consumers.
Methods for predicting future technological advancements. Trend analysis. Trend analysis is a method that examines the historical evolution of technologies to identify recurring patterns and significant breakthroughs. By analyzing past data, researchers and analysts can forecast future technological advancements based on established trajectories. This method is particularly useful for recognizing predictable patterns in technology adoptions and development cycles. Strengths. Predictable patterns. By studying historical trends, analysts can identify consistent patterns that often repeat, making it easier to anticipate future advancements. Historical insight. This method leverages rich historical data, providing a solid foundation for making informed predictions about where technology may head next. Weaknesses. Disruptions. Sudden technological disruptions or paradigm shifts can invalidate past trends, leading to inaccurate predictions. Assumptions of continuity. This method often assumes that past trends will continue, which may not hold true in rapidly changing technological landscapes. Example: the rise of personal computing in the 1980s served as a precursor to the development of smartphones. Analysts observed the increasing integrations of computing power into everyday devices, leading to predictions about the convergence of computing and mobile technology. Foresight studies. Foresight studies are a method that brings together experts from various fields to explore potential future scenarios through structured discussions and workshops. This collaborative approach allows for the examinations of diverse perspectives, helping to identifying emerging threats and potential disruptions in technology. Strengths. Expert insights. By involving specialists from different domains, foresight studies provide a wealth of knowledge and diverse viewpoints that enrich the analysis of future possibilities. Scenario planning. This method enables the creations of multiple scenarios, allowing organizations to prepare for various potential futures and adapt their strategies accordingly. Weaknesses. Subjectivity. The outcomes of foresight studies can be influenced by the biases and perspective of the participating experts, which may affect the reliability of the predictions. Time-consuming. Organizing workshops and discussion can be resource-intensive, and may require significant time investments to gather and analyze insights. Example: Google utilized foresight studies to anticipate the growth of artificial intelligence in its applications, leading to the development of features like Google Assistant. By engaging experts in discussions about AI potentials, Google was able to strategically position itself in the market. Technology road mapping. Technology road mapping is a strategic planning approach that visualizes the trajectory of technological development over time. This method aligns innovations with long-term organizational goals, helping to ensure that technological advancements support overall strategic objectives. Strengths: visualization. Roadmaps provide a clear visual representations of technology development paths, making it easier for stakeholders to understand and communicate strategic plans. Alignment: by linking technological advancements to organizational goals, road mapping helps to ensure that resources are allocated effectively and that innovations are relevant to the organization's missions. Weaknesses: rigidity. Once established technology roadmaps can become rigid, making it challenging to adapt to unexpected changes or disruptions in technology. Limited scope. Roadmaps may focus too narrowly on specific technologies or goals, potentially overlooking broader trends or emerging innovations. Example: Apple technology roadmaps have guided the iterative development of the iPhone series. By aligning their technological advancements with customer needs and market trends, Apple has successfully maintained its competitive edge in the smartphone industry. Market research. Market research is a systematic process of gathering and analyzing consumer feedback regarding their preferences, concerns, and expectations related to new technologies. By understanding the needs and desire of potential users, organizations can make informed decisions about product development and marketing strategies. This method often involves survey, focus groups, and interviews to collect qualitative and quantitative data. Strengths: consumer insights. Market research provides variable insights into consumer behavior and preferences, allowing companies to tailor their products and services to meet actual market needs. Market validation. By testing concepts and prototypes with real users, organizations can validate their ideas and make necessary adjustments before full-scale production, reducing the risk of failure. Weaknesses: short-term focus. Market research often emphasizes current consumer preferences, which can lead to a short-term focus that overlook long-term trends and innovations. Limited scope. Research may be limited to specific demographics or regions, potentially missing broader market trends or diverse consumer needs. Example: Tesla. Early market research highlighted a significant consumer interest in electric vehicles that offer long ranges. This insight guided Tesla development strategy, focusing on battery technology and performance to meet consumer expectations. Cross-disciplinary research. Cross-disciplinary research is when experts from different fields work together to understand how technology affects society. This approach acknowledges that technology doesn't just develop on its own, it interacts with people's value, ethics, and cultural backgrounds. By combining knowledge from various areas, researchers can more effectively tackle the complex issues that new technologies create. Strengths: holistic perspective. This method provides a broader understanding of how technology affects society, encompassing economic, social, and ethical dimensions. Ethical considerations. Engaging experts from fields such as ethics, sociology, and law ensure that potential ethical dilemmas and societal impacts are considered in technology development. Weaknesses: complexity. Coordinating input from various disciplines can be challenging, leading to complexities in communication and collaborations. Time-consuming. The process of integrating diverse perspectives and conducting thorough analysis can be research-intensive and time-consuming. Example: in AI research, collaboration with ethicists and sociologists is essential to address issues like algorithmic bias. This interdisciplinary approach helps ensure that AI technologies are developed responsibly and equitably. Monitoring emerging technologies. Monitoring emerging technologies involves systematically observing scientific journals, patterns, and research publications to stay informed about the latest developments and breakthroughs in various fields. This proactive approach allows organizations to identify trends and innovation early, providing a competitive advantage in rapidly evolving markets. Strengths: early detection. By keeping a close eye on emerging technologies, organizations can detect potential disruptions and opportunity before they become mainstream, allowing for timely strategic adjustments. competitive advantage. Staying informed about cutting-edge developments enables companies to innovate and adapt more quickly than competitors, enhancing their market positions. Weaknesses: overwhelming information. The sheer volume of information available can be overwhelming, making it difficult to filter relevant data from noise. Limited forecasting. While monitoring provides insight into current trends, it may not always yield accurate prediction about future technological trajectories or market behavior. Example: pharmaceutical companies actively monitor advancements in biotechnology to anticipate breakthroughs in drug developments. By staying informed about new research and innovation, they can position themselves to capitalize on emerging treatments and therapies.
Methods for predicting future technological advancements. Simulation and modeling uses computer models to predict the outcomes of new technologies in various scenarios. The strengths is quantitative analysis, scenario testing. Weaknesses is assumption complexity. For example, cities simulate the effects of autonomous vehicles on traffic patterns before deployment. Next, policy analysis examines the impact of government regulations and incentives on technology development. The strengths are policy influence, regulatory impact. Then the weaknesses is dynamic environment and limited control. For example, analyzing the impact of government subsidies of renewable energy, innovation, and job creation. Potential societal impacts of future technological advancements. Future technological advancement statement accurately captures the complex relationship between technological progress and its societal implications. Kag kung i-continue ta i-push ang boundaries of innovation, we unlock a world of potential benefits that can revolutionize various aspects of human life in the future. Positive impacts. First, improve healthcare. Innovations in AI, biotechnology, and medical devices can transform healthcare. The impact is early disease detection and personalized treatments tailored to individual genetic profiles enhance healthcare delivery. For example, AI algorithms assist doctors in diagnosing disease with greater accuracy, leading to a better patient outcomes and longer life expectancies. Second, enhance connectivity. The Internet of Things enables seamless communication among devices, sensors, and networks. The impact is improve efficiency across sectors like transportation, manufacturing, and agriculture. For example, smart cities optimize traffic flow, reducing congestions and pollution, while smart farming increases crop yields through a real-time environmental monitoring.
Positive impacts. Access information. Having access to information can have a positive impact on our lives because it allows us to learn new things, make informed decisions, and solve problems effectively. When we have access to information, we can broaden our knowledge, expand our horizons, and improve our skills. It also helps us stay updated about current events, trends, and innovations. Overall, access to information empower us to grow, adapt, and thrive in rapidly changing world. Negative impacts. Job displacement. Job displacement happens when someone loses their job because of reasons like automation, outsourcing, or changes in the economy. This can have negative impact on the person, like financial stress, loss of income, and uncertainty about the future. Job displacements can also affect the person's mental well-being and self-esteem. It can lead to challenges in finding a new job, retraining for a different career, or adjusting to a new work environment. It's important to provide support and resources to people who experience job displacements to help them navigate through this difficult time. Privacy concerns. Privacy concerns arise when people feel like their personal information or space is being invaded or exposed without their permission. This can happen when data or details about someone are shared or used in ways that make them feel uncomfortable or vulnerable. It can lead to feelings of insecurity, mistrust, or even harm in sensitive information falls into the wrong hands. To address privacy concerns, it is important to respect boundaries, communicate openly, and take steps to protect personal data and spaces. Mental health challenges can have negative impacts on a person's well-being and life. They can cause feelings of sadness, anxiety, or stress, making it difficult to cope with daily activities. Mental health challenges can affect relationships, work, and school performance. It's important to seek support from healthcare professionals like therapists or counselors. To help manage and overcome these challenges, remember, it's okay to ask for help when you're feeling overwhelmed. Education transformation can include resistance to change from teachers or students, lack of proper training or resources to implement new educational methods, disruptions of established routines and systems, and potential inequality in access to new technologies or opportunities. These challenges can slow down the progress of education transformation and create barriers to achieving its full potential in improving learning outcomes for all the students.
Public health implication. AI is increasingly utilized in diagnostic and treatment plan. Impact. While making health care more accessible, privacy concerns regarding sensitive health data must be addressed. For example, IBM Watson Health supports doctors by analyzing medical data for disease diagnosis and treatment recommendation. Number 6. Labor market changes. Automation and AI significantly affect labor markets. So the impact, while automation may displace many jobs, it could also create new opportunities in tech-driven sectors. As noted in a McKinsey Global Institute report predicting 555 million views jobs by 2030. For example, self-driving vehicles and robotics reduce demand for human labor in routine tasks, as seen with Amazon's warehouse robotics.
Ethical consideration related to future technological advancement. Ethical considerations are at the forefront of discussion about future technological advancement. Addressing these ethical challenges is essential to ensure that technology enhances human welfare while promoting equity and sustainability.
Ethical considerations related to future technological advancements. So, number 1, facial recognition technology. Ethical concerns. So, real world dilemma. Law enforcement agencies utilize facial recognition for surveillance and crime prevention, but issues of accuracy and bias arise, particularly affecting people of color minorities. Ethical frameworks. Utilitarianism. This framework questions whether the overall safety and the crime reduction justify the potential harm to wrongfully accused individuals. 2. Data collections practices by social media platforms. Real-world dilemma platforms like Facebook and Google collects extensive user data, often without clear consent or transparency. Ethical frameworks, deontology. This perspective asserts that it is unethical to exploit user data without clear, informed consent regardless of potential benefits.
Number 3. Automation and job displacement. Real-world dilemma. Automation enhances efficiency and reduces operational costs in industries such as manufacturing, but it leads to significant job losses. Ethical frameworks. Utilitarianism. While automation increases economic efficiency and productivity, the short-term harm to displaced workers complicates the moral justification. Number 4. AI bias in hiring algorithms. Real-world dilemma. Companies increasingly rely on AI-driven hiring tools which can replicate existing biases based on gender, race, or background. Ethical frameworks. Utilitarianism. Proponents argue that AI enhances hiring efficiency benefiting companies. Number 5. Content moderation on social media. Real world dilemma. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter face the challenge of moderating harmful content such as hate speech or misinformation while respecting users' right to free speech. Ethical frameworks. Utilitarianism. This framework can guide discussion on whether prioritizing user safety and the greater good justifies restricting free speech. Role of foresight and scenario planning and managing technological change. Foresight and scenario planning serve as essential tools for organization to navigate technological change. By anticipating trends and crafting detailed narratives about potential futures, these methodologies enable companies to adapt strategies, mitigate risk, and make informed decisions for long-term success.
Foresight in managing technological change. Number one, enhancing anticipation and adaptation. Two, proactively adjust strategies based on anticipated technological trends. Example, Microsoft has extensively analyzed the rise of AI to adapt its product offerings and services. Number two, risk mitigation. To foresee regulatory changes and minimize associated risk. Example, Goldman Sachs invested in advanced compliance technologies after predicting stricter data privacy regulations such as GDPR. Number three, inform strategic decision making to guide resource allocation through informed evaluations of emerging technologies. Example, Mayo Clinic evaluated the viability of telemedicine solutions before the COVID-19 pandemic, allowing it to allocate resources effectively to develop telehealth services. Number four, fostering continuous learning and innovation to drive innovation by staying ahead of technological trends. Example, Google encouraged its team to explore emerging technologies, including new programming languages and frameworks, through regular foresight updates.
Scenario planning and managing technological change. First is exploring diverse outcomes. The objective is to prepare for multiple potential future scenarios. Example, General Motors developed various automation scenarios by collaborating with engineers and supply chain experts. Strategic flexibility. Objective, to adapt business models based on projected market changes. Example, Walmart examined the impact of e-commerce growth through scenario planning, allowing it to adapt its strategy for brick-and-mortar stores. Third is the testing and validating assumptions. The objective is to refine strategic by analyzing potential challenges in different scenarios. Example, Verizon analyzed various scenarios related to the rollout of 5G technology to identify potential service delivery challenges. Potential benefits and risk of emerging technologies. Emerging technologies encompass innovations like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and biotechnology. These advancements also present risks related to privacy, economic disruption, ethical concerns, and potential environmental impacts, necessitating careful evaluation and informed decision making.
Potential benefits of emerging technologies. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced data analytics are rapidly transforming various sectors. These innovations offer numerous benefits that can significantly improve both our personal lives and broader societal systems. Below are some key potential benefits. 1. Improve efficiency and productivity. Through automation, tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. AI and robotics can streamline processes, reduce errors, and minimize costs, helping businesses and organizations become more productive and efficient. 2. Enhance quality of life. Technological advances in healthcare, such as telemedicine and personalized treatments, make healthcare more accessible and effective. Innovations in transportation like autonomous vehicles and improvements in communication also lead to a more connected and convenient lifestyle. 3. Solving complex problems. Emerging technologies such as machine learning and big data analytics are being used to tackle global issues. These tools offer new ways to address challenges like climate change, disease outbreaks, and food security, creating solutions that traditional methods may struggle with. 4. Creating new opportunities. Emerging technologies open doors to entirely new industries and job markets, contributing to economic development. For example, renewable energy technologies are generating jobs in sustainable energy sectors, promoting both innovation and growth. 5. Enhancing education and training. Virtual reality and online learning platforms offer interactive and personalized learning experiences. These tools cater to different learning styles, making education and skill development more accessible and effective for everyone. 6. Enabling collaboration and communication. Technologies like cloud computing and collaboration tools help individuals and teams work together seamlessly, no matter where they are. These tools improve efficiency in workplace by allowing real-time collaboration across different locations.
Potential risks of emerging technologies. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence or AI and the Internet Things offer many benefits but also come with significant risks. It's important to recognize these risks to ensure the safety and fairness in our tech-driven world. Here are the potential risks of emerging technologies. First is the privacy and security. The data collected by the Internet devices and AI can raise serious privacy issues. If this data accessed without permission, it can lead to breaches that expose personal information. Second is economic disruption. While new technologies can create jobs, they can also eliminate existing ones, especially in industries that are easily automated. This can lead to the job loss and the need of workers to learn new skills. Third is ethical concerns. Using AI raises ethical questions, like biases in decision making and issues with surveillance. It's important to have rules in place to ensure technology is used fairly and responsibly. Fourth is environmental impacts. Some new technologies might unintentionally harm the environment, such as causing pollution and damaging ecosystem. We need to be careful and manage these risks to protect our planet. Last is dependency. Relying heavily on technology can create weaknesses in our system if they are outrage or cyber attacks. It can disrupt important service and everyday life. The next topic is strategies for preparing society for future technological transformations. As technology changes quickly, it's important for society to be prepared. We need to help people adapt to these changes so they can succeed in a digital world. This involves building strong communities that support one another. These strategies aim to equip individuals and communities with the necessary skills and resources to thrive in a digital landscape. By focusing on digital literacy, continuous education, inclusivity, ethical practices, and collaboration, we can build a society that not only embraces technological advancement but also reduce potential risks and challenges. As a result, a prepared society will be better equipped to handle future challenges and opportunities.
Number one is to invest in digital literacy, education, and training. Implement programs that enhance digital skills across all age groups, focusing on essential competencies like coding, data analysis, and cybersecurity. Number two is to foster a culture of continuous learning, lifelong learning programs. Encourage educational institutions and organizations to offer continuous education opportunities such as online courses and workshops. Number three is to build an inclusive approach, access initiatives, ensure marginalized and underserved communities have access to technology and training resources. Number four is to create ethical guidelines, framework development, establish clear ethical standards for technology use, focusing on privacy, security, and the impact on the society. Number five is to encourage cross-sector collaboration, a public-private partnerships, to foster a collaboration between governments, businesses, and educational institutions to create a cohesive approach to technology readiness. And lastly, develop integrative digital solutions, system connectivity, to create a solutions that integrate with existing systems to enhance efficiency and streamline operations.
Establish R&D teams, innovation hubs, created dedicated teams to explore new technologies, fostering a culture of experimentation and innovation. Innovation hubs bring together specialized teams to actively explore and test emerging technologies, promoting a workplace culture centered on continuous experimentation and creative problem solving. Pilot project for testing innovation. Experimental system. Implement parallel system that allow for safe experimentation with new technologies while minimizing disruption. Simultaneous system enables safe real-time testing of new technologies alongside core operations, allowing innovation without disrupting essential function. Promote adaptable leadership. Leadership development. Train leaders to be flexible and responsive to technological changes, encouraging a supportive culture for transformation. Train leaders to be adaptable and responsive to technological advancement, foster a supportive culture that embraces transformation and drives organizational progress. Importance of innovation ecosystem in fostering future technological advancement. Innovation ecosystems are vital for driving future technological advancement by fostering collaboration among diverse stakeholders such as businesses, research institutions, and startups. These interconnected networks encourage creativity and resource sharing, enabling the rapid development of innovative solutions to complex challenges. Innovation ecosystems are essential for accelerating technological progress by uniting businesses, research institutions, and startups in collaborative networks that encourage creativity, resource sharing, and the swift development of solutions to complex challenges.
Diverse expertise and resources. A tech company could partner with a university research lab and a startup to combine their knowledge and skills to create a groundbreaking innovation, meaning they collaborate to develop new and exciting technology together. Enhanced collaboration. A pharmaceutical company might collaborate with a beauty firm in a research institution to develop a new drug, leveraging each partner's unique strengths, implying they combine their skills to create a new medicine. Support for experimentation. An innovation hub might encourage startups to pilot new technologies without the fear of failure, leading to unexpected breakthroughs, indicating a safe space for startups to explore innovative ideas. Accelerated development. A startup can benefit from mentorship and funding provided by an innovation ecosystem, allowing it to quickly bring its product to market, meaning it can grow quickly and reach customers faster with available support. Adapting to change. Companies in an innovation ecosystem can swiftly pivot their strategies to incorporate emerging technologies and trends, staying competitive, which means they can quickly adjust plans to use new innovations. Economic growth and job creation. The launch of new tech firms within an innovation ecosystem can lead to the creation of thousands of jobs in the local economy, suggesting that new companies foster employment opportunities in the community. Social impact. Collaborations within an innovation ecosystem can result in the development of sustainable energy solutions that address climate change and improve environmental health, signifying a collective effort to create eco friendly technologies.